Harvesting some of my Mars Piper potatoes last September from my compost heap, I noticed that they had developed small bulbous growths hanging from the main potato that are called stolons. Now, there's a couple of things that could have caused this growth. Firstly, it could be down to environmental stressors. It could be the genetics of the potato, but I honestly think it could be the environmental stressors of the potato being in the compost heap, because there would be an awful lot of heat in that compost heap because there would be a high soil temperature. And this heat generated by decomposing material might be just a bit much for my potatoes. And so they may have struggled with growing properly in this compost heap. Another factor might also be that there's a large tree growing above this compost heap, so the compost heap isn't getting as much rain as it probably should be for the potatoes to grow properly. Also, potatoes really need consistent watering, and because I didn't know the potatoes were in the compost heap, I wasn't watering it. Now, this inconsistency in watering can cause these stolons that don't fully separate from the parent potato. Do you think it was environmental stressors, or what do you think?